morning, Rutgers. I'm Allie Burgos here broadcasting from your Perry studio, here to give you your Wednesday, April 17th forecast. Let's look right at the weather today. We do have a morning low of 55 degrees, which is pretty above our average of what we normally see at 40, and we still will be exceeding our average of 61 for our high. Thankfully, nowhere near our records of 91 degrees back in 2002 and a low of 26 back in 1928. Our sunrise today was at 6:17 and our sunset tonight will be at 7:38. Now as we look into our overnight low temperatures, we can see we have Hartford coming in at 51, Newark at 57, Camden at 59. Baltimore was our warm spot at 63, our friends out at State College coming in at 56, and Albany at 42. Now as we look into our forecasted high temperatures for today, we will be seeing Albany warming up to 62, State College at 64, Baltimore still our warm spot coming in at 73, Camden at 67, Newark at 69, and Springfield at 66. Now as we look into our national satellite, we can see that we do have a high pressure system at the moment affecting us, which will be giving us some sunny and warm temperatures for today. However, some activity in the east will be probably pushing into our area, which might be giving us some rain later in the week. But first, let's look at today's forecast. We will be having a beautiful pair of sixes, partly sunny skies with winds northeast at 7 to 9 miles per hour. So make sure that you go out and enjoy that sun before the rain comes in. For tonight, we will be having a low of 45. Some more clouds will be pushing into our area. Winds will be east 5, turning into calm later in the evening. Now as we move into Thursday forecast, we will be having a high of 63, and that chance of showers will be coming into our vicinity with about a 20 to 30% chance later in the afternoon. Winds will be southeast 9 to 13 miles per hour. And as we look into Thursday night's forecast, we will be having a low of 54. We do have a chance of drizzle throughout the entire night and evening, so make sure that you do carry an umbrella with you throughout the entire night. We will have winds south at 11 miles per hour. Now for any sports fans out there, we do have a baseball game today. First pitch at 3:30 versus Monmouth at Batten Field. Temperatures at this time will be 65 degrees, mostly cloudy skies with winds northeast at 6 miles per hour. And we also have a women's softball forecast. First pitch at 2:30 versus Stony Brook at the RU Softball Complex. Temperatures will be around 64, still mostly cloudy skies, with winds northeast at 7 miles per hour. Now as we move into your extended forecast, we can see that we will have a slight increase of temperature for Friday at a high of 73, low of 49, and we do see a chance of thunderstorms later in the night. Saturday we will see that chance of rain start to increase at around 50%, high of 62, low of 37, and Sunday we do start to see a cool off in temperatures with a high of 58 and a low of 37. However, we will see that sun come out and hopefully it will feel warmer than it actually is. As always, you can check us out at RUTV Channel 6 every 15 minutes, or you can like our Facebook page or follow us at RUTVWW. As always, you can go for more information to rutv.rutgers.edu. I'm Allie Burgos, and have a great morning, Rutgers.